All right. This is Thursday's channeled message. So the message is seeing yourself as how God's source sees you, a beautiful divine channel of love and light that you are here on this earth to bring forth. You are here to bring so much love into this earth and so much love through what you create, through yourself. You are a beautiful being of light, channeled beautiful being of light. That is a message that I got. How does that resonate and feel for you? You know who you are. You know you are here to do something powerful and beautiful that is what you want. What is your desire to create? In this next year, starting now, what is it that you want? Who are you? You know who you are. So does the Creator, God's source, and it wants you to be that beautiful divine expression. Please know that you are loved. No matter what it is you want to do, know that you are loved. All right? For more info, go ahead and drop down in the caption.